Hey guys, welcome back. It's Cindy and welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I have a special guest here. So I have here with me
Cassie from Theerealcassie.
I'll have her YouTube channel, her Instagram, her Snapchat on my description bar, so you guys can go check that out. Follow her social medias. Today we are going to be doing a challenge. Basically, we choose a palette and basically count how many shades there are, write them down on a piece of paper, and then pick them out. 3 of them. We have to pick 3 of them, and whichever ones we choose, we have to create a look with. In here we have little papelitos with the numbers on them. I am not good with doing smoky eyes. Anyways, do you think you can do any look or any eyeshadow look? Hopefully I get one shimmery color, because if we don't, we screwed. We chose the Morphe palette, and these are going to be the colors we're going to be working with to see what we choose. Anyways, so here we go. You get to choose first.
3, huh? 2, 1.
Oh, 3.
Oh shit. Okay.
There's 3? My turn. Oh, there's 1. There's that one. And
I got 2.
Oh, you already know which
5
one.
and 14. Got a shimmer.
Wait, hold on. So which ones you got?
I got this one, and 14. Maybe this one, no? 14.
So those were her numbers right there. And I got 4, 12, and 9. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4. So I got that brown one, which is good. That's the one that I usually always use. Where's 9? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, these 2. Oh my gosh, the 12 knot is not a shimmer or what? So 13, 12, that one.
Oh, you did get a shimmer.
Yeah. So 2 mattes and 1 shimmer. I got that shimmer right there. That one's pretty. You got that one, huh? Okie dokie. So we're gonna freaking work with those. So obviously I'm gonna start with the lighter color.
I have no choice.
It'll be fine, yeah.
I'll just try to do that one.
Are you a big fan of Tercer Elemento?
Yeah, this one and the T3R are my favorite ones. Kind of hide that from my mom. But the things he says, like the T3R talks about weed.
He does in all the songs.
Yeah,
he doesn't talk about.
I think only on one he doesn't.
He talk.
Oh no.
Which one?
It's like something with like, I don't know. I think it's about a girl. One of them.
Me dijo mi papá, de la vida no te quiero platicar. Hacer las cosas bien, hay que aprenderlas a hacer. Consejos del poder y tiempo a mi hermano, por mi madre y mi familia. This makes you just want to jump. Give a bad bitch, give a fuck by nigga. Strike some ass, because pussy I just took a picture. How does it look different?
Listen to me, I'm still redondo. It's gonna go to my hair.
But we can clean that up later. Damn, you're supposed to have like light and bright. Now look how dark. Hey.
Talk to me. Break it down. Fuck shit, what's the money?
No me puedo acostumbrar a vivir sin tu calor. Me haces falta, mucha falta, amor.
Out of these 4 right here, we're gonna choose which one we're gonna wear. I'm pretty sure any of these is gonna go with our look.
Yeah.
Obviously, because why not?
Kind of like neutral colors. 1.
Oh, you got a really good color.
I got the light one.
Yeah, that's nude. My turn. Bruh, if I get the darkest one, I'm gonna be pissed. 3! That's the fucking darkest one. So this was the finished look of our colors that we picked. This is my shadow.
It's kind of like orange.
Sure. And this is the lip color I chose. It looks hella dark. This makes me look like something.
It looks like it's like a fiesta.
That's what I said. I'm like, it looks like I'm gonna go somewhere a little fancy or somewhere. Anyways, yeah. This is how we're gonna be rocking our makeup for the rest of the day. So yeah, that was the end of the video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed that. I hope you guys really had fun watching this. Thank you for doing this video. This was kind of like last minute thing. Yesterday we were just kind of like, dude, tomorrow I'll go pick you up, you know. Yeah, thank you so much for being in the video with me. She also has another video that's gonna go up in her channel, so make sure to go check that out. And I'll see you guys on my next video, okay? Bye.